Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Yashasha and I'm a team lead here at OnceHub. And today in this video, I'll show you how to reschedule a meeting that was booked through a booking calendar directly from your OnceHub account. So there are times when plan changes, maybe the host is not available anymore, or the meeting needs to be moved to a different time. Instead of canceling and starting over, OneSub gives you a built-in rescheduling options that keep things smooth for both you and your guest. To get started, log into your OneSub account, and once you log in, you would be taken to this home page. From the home page, simply click on scheduled meeting from the left top and select the relevant booking you're looking to reschedule. And once you have located the meeting, simply click on the reschedule button that is available. At this point, you'll see two different ways to handle the reschedule. The first option is to reschedule on behalf of the guest. This allows you to cancel the meeting and immediately book a new one for your client. This is useful when you have already agreed on a new time internally or want to take care of everything yourself without asking the client to take an action. The second option is to ask the guest to reschedule. When you choose this existing meeting is cancelled and the guest automatically receives a rescheduling link so they can pick a time that works for them. This is ideal when you want to give the guest flexibility or avoid back and forth coordination. For this video, we would be going ahead with reschedule on behalf of guest and hit next. So you can select the date and time of your choice, enter the reason and hit reschedule. A pop-up confirming the reschedule will appear on your screen. You can simply close this out. So OneSub takes care of updating the booking and notifying the guest accordingly as the booking has been rescheduled. So let's quickly take a look of how the notification appears for your client. So as you can see, the client received a rescheduled email since the booking was rescheduled. And similarly, the calendar event would also be updated to the new date and time so that your customers are correctly notified of the meeting changes. And that's it. Rescheduling meeting from your OneSub account is quick, flexible, and designed to fit real world scenarios. So you can stay organized even when plan changes. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.